Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with more screen protectors for iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. So we've got the ZAGG Glass Elite and Glass Elite VisionGuard. These are great screen protectors with excellent installers, but one costs $10 more than the other. Let's get these installed on my iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max and check them out. So looking first at the ZAGG Elite VisionGuard screen protector here in the iPhone 13 Pro size, this one is going to give you 5 times the impact protection of your typical glass screen protector. It's also antimicrobial and it has a special eye-safe layer which is supposed to protect you against blue light. That's why this one costs $10 more. So let's get this one installed on my 13 Pro. Looking at the contents of the box, we've got ZAGG's excellent new installer, we've got the Glass Elite VisionGuard screen protector itself, and then we've got several installation tools. We've got a cleaning wipe to clean your screen with, a dust removal sticker to remove dust with, and then a microfiber cloth to get things extra clean. So prior to installing your screen protector, you want to make sure you're working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible. You're going to need to remove any case you have on your phone as well as any screen protectors. So I'm going to take off the Rhino Shield 3D Impact Matte version screen protector that I have on here right now. It's been quite a nice little screen protector. And then I'm going to use the cleaning wipe, the dust removal sticker, and the microfiber cloth to thoroughly clean my phone screen. Looking at your installer, this is a little bit different than your typical installer. Rather than putting this over your phone, you're going to put your phone inside it. Note that we do have a top and a bottom to this, so be sure to put it on the right way. The top is marked top. Once you put your phone in, you might want to go over it one more time with the dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust. Taking a look at your screen protector, you're going to notice a few things. First off, it's very slightly blue due to the blue light blocking feature that the screen protector has. Second, you have these tabs here on the top and the bottom, and now they have these little holes on them. The holes are there because you're going to put the holes over these knobs on the top and the bottom of the installer. That's going to ensure you get a perfect alignment with this screen protector. And then the third thing you're going to notice is that we have this tab 1 here. This is what you're going to peel off in order to expose the adhesive side of the screen protector. So before you do all this, again, make sure you don't have any dust on your screen, and then carefully flip this over and peel back your tab 1 to expose the adhesive side. And then take the screen protector, making sure to put the top on the top and the bottom on the bottom, and then lay it carefully onto the installer, putting the holes over the knobs. Use your fingers to smooth down the screen protector until it adheres to the screen, and then remove the top sheet from the little knobs here. And you are all done. Looking at the results of the installation, as you can see, they are spot on. We've got a perfect alignment here, absolutely straight, absolutely even. This is a case compatible screen protector, so you should be able to fit most cases with it. Got a cutout here for the notch, got rounded edges, feels very nice underneath your fingertips, not rough. Overall, everything looks good. This is very thin. This is a special aluminosilicate glass, so it can be thin and tough. It's going to give you that 5x impact protection as compared with your typical tempered glass screen protector. And of course, it does have that antimicrobial coating as well. Everything looks great. As far as look and feel is concerned, everything seems great. This is quite a responsive screen protector, no issues with your haptic touch. Have a very nice smooth feel underneath the fingertips. As far as your optical clarity is concerned, things still look perfectly clear and lovely, very bright, very nice. Does the blue light blocking actually do anything to help my eyes? I have absolutely no idea. Looking at this on the internet, it looks like there is a good deal of research out there that blue light is probably harmful. Whether a screen protector is going to be enough to save your eyes from it, I don't know, but it can't be a bad thing. It's probably a good thing, and you're just going to have to decide for yourself whether that additional $10 that this one costs in comparison with the Glass Elite is actually worth it. Fingerprint-wise, this features something called clear print rather than a standard oleophobic coating. It's supposed to make your fingerprints disappear on the screen by doing something with the way the light actually passes through them. I used to really dislike clear print, but I think that it's gotten better over the years, and now I notice that it seems pretty much the same as a standard oleophobic coating. Fingerprints seem good here. Overall, just a really nice screen protector here from ZAGG. Moving on to the ZAGG Glass Elite screen protector here for the 13 Pro Max. This one is going to be just the same as the VisionGuard screen protector we just installed, except for the fact that it lacks the blue light blocking feature. So it's got the same 5x impact protection, got the same antimicrobial protection, the same aluminosilicate glass, the same clear print fingerprint technology, the same excellent installer. All of those things are the same. The only difference is that it doesn't have blue light blocking, and of course it costs $10 less. The contents of the box are exactly the same except for the fact that you have a clear screen protector as opposed to a blue light blocking one. You have the same kind of installer, just a little bit bigger because of course this one is for the 13 Pro Max. And then we have the same set of install tools. So you have a microfiber cloth, you've got a dust removal sticker, and you've got a cleaning wipe. So first off, you're going to clean your screen using the cleaning wipe, dust removal sticker, and microfiber cloth. Put your phone in the install frame, noting that there is a top and a bottom. Make sure you put it in there right. You're going to need to peel off tab 1, just like with the other screen protector, to expose the sticky side, and then you're going to put this over on top of the installer. Put the holes over the knobs, and then gently lay your screen protector down. Place your finger down on top of the screen protector and press down to make the screen protector adhere. Once everything has adhered, peel up that top plastic layer and remove your phone from the installer. If there's any remaining bubbles, you can smooth those out, but I don't see any. I think everything looks just perfect. I cannot tell you how much I love the new ZAGG installer. It makes this super, super easy. Looks like maybe I need to press that one down a little bit there, but other than that, things just look great. So we got the same beautiful rounded edges, very thin screen protector, fantastic alignment on here. This is case compatible, should have plenty of space for most cases. And then you do have a cutout here for your notch. Some people like that, some people don't. Everything looks just beautiful here on my 13 Pro Max with the ZAGG Glass Elite. As far as look and feel is concerned, everything is beautiful. This is very responsive, no issues with haptic touch, slippery smooth underneath the fingertips, beautiful optical clarity, everything looks fantastic. And of course, this has got that 5x impact protection, antimicrobial protection, etc. It's going to be great against scratching. Overall, just a really lovely screen protector here from ZAGG. So looking at these two screen protectors side by side, you got your ZAGG Glass Elite on the 13 Pro Max and your ZAGG Glass Elite VisionGuard on the 13 Pro. Both of them look lovely. These are the same thickness, same look, same case compatibility, just really nice screen protectors. They've got all the same features except for the fact you have that additional blue light blocking with the VisionGuard version, and you don't have that with the regular Glass Elite. So you might be wondering whether it makes the screen any bluer, and the answer is yes, it does if you have True Tone turned on. So if you have True Tone turned off, I saw almost no difference, but if you have True Tone turned on and you open up a blank note page, or basically anything that's just a blank white page, you can see that you have more of a blue screen here with the ZAGG Glass Elite VisionGuard as opposed to the regular ZAGG Glass Elite. But if I turn True Tone off, then they both look equally kind of bluish. So I don't know whether this is due so much to the blue cast of the screen protector or whether it's just an interaction with the True Tone feature of the phone. So overall, I think both of these are excellent screen protectors. They've got that 5x impact protection, they've got that antimicrobial protection, and they're both covered by ZAGG's limited lifetime replacement warranty program. So that is all excellent. I think really the only question is whether the VisionGuard aspect is worth it for you. And I really can't evaluate that very well. I do know that a lot of the research out there says that blue light is harmful for your eyes, and it may be that paying the extra $10 to have the blue light blocking aspect of the VisionGuard screen protector is going to be a worthwhile investment. That's just something you have to decide for yourself. But at any rate, both of these are great options for your iPhone 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max. Again, we've been looking at the Glass Elite and Glass Elite VisionGuard screen protectors. These products are both available directly from ZAGG as well as from many other retailers, and they are priced at $49.99 for the Glass Elite VisionGuard and $39.99 for the Glass Elite. Many thanks to the kind folks at ZAGG for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider subscribing to my channel because I've got a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.